Is it getting clean? Is it getting clean? Is it getting clean?
Washing pad.
No, pad don't need wash. No. Here, you got cars. You got plenty. Come here. Wash your cars. You got plenty. Wash them, Pappy. Tell Memo hello. Tell Memo hello. We'll send this to Memo. Keep your arm in there. Don't get water on the floor. Tell Memo hello. Nicholas. Oh, Nicholas. Nicholas. Hey. Tell Memo hello.
Hello.
Now that's a good boy. Tell Brad hello. You tell Brad hello. Brad wants to say hello, Nicholas. Brad thinks you're in the water. Are you washing cars? Huh? Are you washing cars? Tell Brad hello. Is it warm?
Wash it.
Is it warm? Is it clean? Are you getting it clean? Is it getting clean? Is it getting clean? Is it? Wash your pappy. Wash your pappy. Is it clean? Does a fire truck need lots of water? Does a fire truck need lots of water? Here's a, no. That'll hurt the baby. Here. Here, wipe your hands.
No.
Want to wipe your hands?
No.
How come? You want to wipe your hands?
No.
Why? Keep it in the sink. Poor Luigi, he's about to drown. Is he? Are you doing the dirty deed? Are you doing the dirty deed? Your pants need changed?
No.
You got a dirty diaper? Do you have a dirty diaper?
No.
Okay, truth or dare. Don't grab this. It's just right now. The water's warm. It's warm. Warm? Huh? Is the water warm? No soap. No soap. No soap. Okay, tell Mama bye. Mama's going bye-bye. Tell her bye. Tell her bye-bye.
Baby.
Bye-bye. Tell Mama bye-bye. Can you tell Mama bye-bye? Mama wants you to say bye-bye to her. She's so sad. Mama's so sad because you won't say bye to her.